Hello everyone. Today we will know about the summer internship in the University of Rochester, Department of Chemistry. So this is a summer internship. You can see who can apply. Like this application process for the summer 2022 iScholar program, which is now open. This is highly competitive, blah blah, and it is here written actually undergraduate, but for those students who are in master MSc, they can also like masters visa in India, and those especially those who are interested in doing the PhD program in fall of 23 or so earlier, they are preferred. Like for this you can read what are the requirement and all those things. Now I will go on online application. As I have clicked on the online application, you can see that it has opened the University of Rochester 2022 Summer Research Fellowship for the international student in the Department of Chemistry, University of Rochester. Like you can write your first name, last name here. And this 2022 iScholar program will run from the 5th of the May, 5th of the May to August 5. And what are like you will be covered like through this program, participant will receive weekly stipend, health insurance during the stay, and up to $1,000 towards travel costs. The program is also cover any associate registration and tuition fees. The stipend is meant to cover living expenses like rooms and board during your stay in Rochester. Through the International Student and Global Engagement Office, we will assist you in securing the house and US visa to conduct the research at the University of Rochester. So almost everything will be covered in this, like your living cost, your visa application, and all those things. Now we will go further and see what they want. To apply this, fill and submit the application form below. Make sure you attach the unofficial copy of your transcript with English translation and copy of a CV in PDF format. And we need the two professors' letter of recommendation as a referee and provide their contact information in the application below. A copy of the application and instruction how to submit the reference letter will be sent to the summer@kim.rochester.edu. Below, follow your letter writer and make sure that they have received this mail. If not in their box, please ask them to check junk folder. So here you have to write your address, and the important date is you can here see that is February 7, 2022. Here your address and all things, email, confirmation email, from which country you belong. Now, one important thing here is the education background. Under graduate institution which you have done your undergrads, then your degree, then your undergraduate degree expected date, and overall CGPA you have scored. Then quantitative your ranking. I mean, you might like you can say top 10, top 20, like, and you can from your grade you can convert it to the percentage. Like if you are getting 8 CGPA, then multiply by 9.5, like what conversion is given in your degree. According to that you can add here, like you can add the subjects, how many subjects available. And important point to be noted here that the MSc student, master in science student, can also apply. Please complete the following if you have completed an undergraduate degree and you are currently pursuing MSc. So MSc institution, for example, I am doing MSc in IIT Bombay, so I will write here IIT Bombay, like degree, then I will write MSc M dot SC. Then I will expected degree date like 23 I will be graduating, how many CGP expected I will get. Then you have one important thing, like you are applying for the foreign university, like this is foreign university internship, so you need to have a very good English proficiency. So here they have asked like reading, what is your reading? Is it good, average, basic, excellent? So like if you think that your reading is good, then you can click on good. Okay. Similarly for writing, good, speaking excellent, so you can click according to your proficiency. Then in personal statement, in which area you are interested, like you have bio, inorganic, biological, inorganic material, nuclear, organic and physical, theoretical, etc. So for example, I'm interested in organic synthesis, then I will click organic. As well as like, if you can select one more than one, then you have to choose the faculty, first choice faculty. Like there are so many faculties, professors are there, faculty. So you, one of the instructor you can choose, like William Day Jones. I have chosen. Then you can choose second. Second also same. For before choosing that, you have to see their work on their what they are actually doing on going on the Rochester Department of Chemistry website. So before, this is very important section, like choosing the professor, like if they are really in their your field or not, what actually the work is going in that professor is doing. I mean, that will be very important in, like for example, organic synthesis. If I have chosen William, what are the works he is doing in the organic or not. So according to that, you can choose the professor. Then the your like sole criteria of selection will be not only CGPA, but how you write your, like what you want to do in the chemistry. For example, how well you describe, uh, I want to do further research in all those things, or have you published any research paper in chemistry. This will help you in select getting this internship. So here they have told that please briefly describe your research interest in chemistry and your future plan and goals. That is of 1500 words. And they have specifically, they have asked, please briefly and explain why would you like to participate in this program and what assist you feel will aid you to be successful. So almost 1500, 15, almost 3000 words. So you can, for this there are several example on Google how to, like, you can see as a for reference, but do not copy. This is strictly prohibited, means plagiarism, your application will be rejected. If you have conflict with the scheduled period of the program, please specify availability during the summer 20, example June. Like your second semester, if you up, like I'm in second semester, then if my second semester exams are getting in like late May, so I can write here what will be this, I will be available for doing this internship. Transcript and CV. Transcript in the sense, like if you are a MSc first year, then you have to upload your BSc certificate transcript and CV, the CV that you will prepare, and letter of recommendation, that write the name of the professor who is going to refer you, like letter, who is going to provide you a letter of recommendation. So there will be two referees, referee one and referee two. Like you can choose either, like though both are both LOR should be given by of MSc professor, or either it could be of your one BSc professor or one MSc professor. It depends on you. So you have to write their name, address, city, email address, and all those. It is very important. Letter, without letter of recommendation, they will reject your application. Then at the last, you have to provide a signature. Then submit. Thank you.